QuoteIt4Me is a powerful online quoting tool designed for use by individuals and small teams. With QuoteIt4Me, you can very quickly create secure, consistent, professional quotes for complex products and components. In this tutorial, we'll run through the process of adding your catalog items step by step. Let's click the green Add a New Item button from the Catalog panel of the home page to add your first catalog item. For the part name field, enter a descriptive name for your first catalog item. The system automatically checks for duplicate items to help you stay organized. A green check mark shows you this is a unique item. Enter your SKU or part number in the next field. The status field lets you keep an item hidden until you've finished entering all your details. This makes it easy to enter catalog items in multiple sessions in case you get interrupted. Once you're happy with your item, you can change the status to active, and you and your team will be able to choose this item when creating quotes. The brand field lets you keep multiple brands of lines of equipment separate in QuoteIt4Me. This makes it easier to find items as your catalog grows. Once you've entered a brand name once, it will appear as a suggestion in the brand box as soon as you type the first letter. Your base price is the list or unit price that you want to sell your item for normally, without discounts. The first description field should be short, 255 characters or less, or around 30 words in length. This description will appear in the body of your quote document. For longer descriptions, specs, tables, and photos, you can use the extended description box. This is optional. You can also tag this item for sharing by your group on this page. If you've already set up a group in your profile area, you can begin typing the name of that group in the group sharing box. When you share an item with your group, the item will automatically appear in everyone's catalog list as a shared item for that group. To remove sharing on an item, click the X in the group name box and save your item. Let's take a closer look at the extended description box. You can copy and paste your extended description here from another document, or type it in manually. The editor box allows you to add links, photos, tables, numbered or bulleted lists, special characters like the micron symbol, and adjust the font size and weight. This editor box gives you a lot of power over how the final catalog item description will look in your quotations. I'm going to grab some text from another file and copy it in here. You can click the source button if you want to copy something from an HTML file. This is great for setting up tables outside of the program, as I'm going to do here. And click source again to see how it looks. If you want to type this table in manually, you just go right here to table, and it'll create a new table with the number of rows and columns you want. You can add secondary photos of your item by dragging and dropping a JPEG or PNG or GIF from your computer into the extended description box. You'll see a successfully uploaded message when your image has been copied to QuoteIt4Me. Once the image is in the box, you can click the image icon in the extended description toolbar to adjust its size, etc. There's also a place for your main photo of your catalog item, which will appear at the top of the quotes when you include this item. Let's save this catalog item and add a main photo now. So we'll click on this photo link and drag our photo over If you need to swap the photo for a different one or remove it altogether, click the red text here, and you can remove or drag a new item into this box. Does your item have accessories or other add-ons you'd like grouped under the catalog item in your quotes? For example, you have a large machine as your catalog item, and you want to add accessories, toolings, and consumables for that item as a grouping underneath the primary item in your quotes. You can add all your items as primary items if you wish, but creating add-ons will automatically add formatting of the add-on items to group these together with your linked primary item. If your catalog item does not have any accessories or add-ons, you're done. You can begin quoting. If it does have accessories, then once you've added a catalog item, click the Add-on Links tab. Click the green Link New Add-on button to enter an accessory for your catalog item. This looks similar to the form for the primary item, but it also has a category area. The category area will let you group spare parts, accessories, wear parts, consumables. You only need to enter these once, and then they'll be suggested next time you come back. If you're adding an add-on immediately after entering a primary item, as we just did, then as soon as you've saved your first add-on, you'll see it automatically linked to the catalog item you just created via the red link button. You can unlink an item at any time simply by clicking the red link button to delink it. There's no need to click a save button on the linking page. Just link and unlink items, and then you can leave this page and continue your work. Click the blue Back to List button or the Catalog button on the main menu to return to the main catalog page. Continue adding your catalog items and add-ons until you have everything you need to create your first quote. Before you create your first quote, you need to make sure your new catalog item and all the add-ons are active. Change the status in this column from hidden to active and save your item. Pending items, hidden items, are not available for quoting. In the catalog area, you can also add brochures, data sheets, promotional flyers, or any other auxiliary files you wish to link to your quotes. Let's click the Auxiliary Files tab to upload files now. If you add an auxiliary file from within the quoting area, the file will automatically appear here in this list. And this is where you can manage these files. The Actions buttons let you download or delete files. Please note that if you include an auxiliary file in a completed quote, the download link to that original file will remain in the zipped auxiliary files package with your quote until your quote is expired, even if you delete it here. Terms and conditions can also be added in this catalog area. Again, like the auxiliary files, any terms and conditions added in the quoting process will be available here for management. Click the Feedback Support button to send us comments or report any errors or bugs directly to our programming team. Click the Messages icon and View All Activity to see messages and notes for you, plus general QuoteIt4Me news, tips and tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.